Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make canned corned beef hash the only way. First, ensure you have all your ingredients and tools ready for a smooth cooking process. You'll need one 15-ounce can of your favorite corned beef hash, 1 tablespoon of a neutral cooking oil like vegetable or canola, a good nonstick skillet, and a sturdy spatula. This simple preparation ensures a delicious meal every time. Now, let's get cooking. Place your nonstick skillet on the stove and add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Heat it over medium heat until it shimmers slightly. Then, carefully open your can of corned beef hash and empty its entire contents into the hot skillet. Use your spatula to spread the hash evenly across the bottom, pressing down gently to create a flat, uniform layer. This step is crucial for developing that irresistible crispy crust. This is where the magic happens. Allow the hash to cook undisturbed for about 8 to 10 minutes. Resist the urge to stir or flip it during this time. The goal is to let a beautiful, deep golden brown crust form on the bottom. You'll notice the edges becoming crispy and the hash holding its shape. This patient cooking method is the secret to achieving that perfect texture, ensuring every bite is wonderfully satisfying. Once that beautiful crust has formed, it's time to flip. Using your spatula, carefully flip the hash over in 1 or 2 large sections. Cook the second side for another 3 to 5 minutes, just until it's heated through and develops a slight crispness. There's no need for it to be as dark as the first side. Serve your perfectly cooked corned beef hash immediately, perhaps with a fried egg or some toast, for a truly delightful meal. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.